binasa namin, we were given this much. From 2022 to 2025, we were given a total from DNEP around 12 billion. Pero nung lumabas na po sa GAA, 30 billion. Total insertion po is 17,820,439,000 as far as flood control projects are concerned, which are 25 million and above. Ulitin ko po, we did not include your other projects which do not include flood control. Kaya lang po yung pagpapasalamat namin, sino po ba naman probinsyang di magpapasalamat na ganong kadaming pera, napalitan po ito ng panghihinayang. Well, during the Senate hearing in the past, you were discussing about existence or non-existence of a National Flood Mitigation Master Plan. Oriental Mindoro